So yeah, this is my Discord server. It's pretty cool. Links in the description. I made a video about this ages ago. No one listens. The rules: no swearing without permission. I spelled permission wrong, sorry. Subscribe to me, Owlboy, and my sister if you want. Cheese. Do whatever you want except for one. Basically. Yeah. So, and my other subs for free. Yeah, and here's Sonic Chat. Owlboy is doing stuff. That's my dad. Yeah, I do have to give some better commandments. Owlboy, go make some burgers for the customers. Yeah, cool. So basically, I'm just begging you to join my Discord server. I have 66 subscribers. I want all 66 of you in here because Owlboy and my dad is already here. 64 of you, I want to be here. I invited Horse Lover 500, but yeah, she didn't accept it. So I'm just gonna put the link in the description. You go watch the video. Peace. Please join. Please join. I'll beg you, please. Okay, bye.